I built a trading empire in 30 days using AI. 30 days ago, I had no website, no trading bot, no content, no subscribers. Today, I have all of that. And I built every single piece of it using one AI tool. What would you build if you had a tool that never sleeps, never complains, and knows how to code, design, write, and strategize? Drop your answer in the comments because I want to know. Welcome to Alpha Breakout Lab, free trading education for everyone. I am not a developer. I am not a web designer. I am not a video editor. I am a trader with a mission to end world poverty through financial literacy. And in 30 days, using Claude AI as my partner, I built something that would have taken most people years. It started with a simple idea. Most people never build wealth not because they lack intelligence, but because they lack access to financial education. The knowledge gap between the rich and everyone else is the real problem. And I decided to close it for free, for everyone, forever.
Here is what we build in 30 days. A fully live website, alphabreakoutlab.com, with email capture, stock alerts, educational content, and a coming soon simulator. A proprietary trading bot, Alpha Desk, built on a moving average strategy I developed and tested myself over 2 years. The paper trade simulation took $25,000 to $190,000 in 6 weeks. A YouTube channel with multiple videos, swing trading education, stock alerts, and real market analysis. Already hitting above average click-through rates. Active on 4 social media platforms: YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. A full content pipeline, scripts, animations, thumbnails, graphics, all built with AI. And a 2 LLC business structure with IP protection for the bot and the strategy. All of this in 30 days with zero coding experience. If this is blowing your mind right now, hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more. So how does it actually work? Claude AI is not just a chatbot. It is a full business partner. I bring the vision, the strategy, and the trading knowledge. Claude brings the technical execution, coding, writing, designing, and problem solving. I tell it what I want to build. It builds it. I review it. We refine it together. Then we ship it. It is exactly like having a world-class developer, copywriter, graphic designer, and business strategist on your team, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, for a fraction of what any one of those professionals would cost. But here is what makes it different from other AI tools. Claude is built on honesty. It tells you when something won't work. It pushes back when your idea needs refinement. It doesn't just tell you what you want to hear. And in business, that is everything. Great men fail because of yes men. And Claude is no yes man. Here are the real numbers after 30 days. Website, live at alphabreakoutlab.com, verified by Google Search Console. YouTube, over 150 views, 6.26% click-through rate, above industry average. Stock alert thumbnail, updated with a curiosity gap strategy. CRT jumped from 2.9% to 7.3% overnight. Trading bot, version 6, running backtests right now with a proprietary MA arrangement that no one else uses. Email list, live and capturing subscribers. These are real numbers. Not hype, not projections. Real results from 30 days of consistent building. Here is the lesson. The tools exist right now to build anything you can imagine. The barrier is not technology. The barrier is not money. The barrier is not experience. The barrier is whether you believe it is possible for YOU. That is the whole mission of Alpha Breakout Lab. Not just teaching you how to trade, but convincing you that wealth is not just for other people. It is for you. Right now. Today. Pro tip: if you want to use Claude AI to build your own business, start with a clear mission. Know your WHY before you build anything. The tool is only as powerful as the vision behind it. What is the point of doing anything if you do not know the why? Subscribe to Alpha Breakout Lab for free trading education every single week. Visit alphabreakoutlab.com. Get on the early access list for the Alpha Desk simulator. And if this video helped you, share it. Not just with traders. Share it with anyone who has a dream and doesn't know where to start. Because the tools are here. The knowledge is free. The only thing missing is the decision to begin. Every failure made me strong enough to carry the weight of my success. Failures don't kill dreams. Quitting does. Builders don't sleep until the dream is real.